Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Rena Rocs. I am so excited to show you what I have here. I ordered something a little special and I wanted to wait and open it up and share it with you guys so you see exactly what I have here in the box. So just wait. If this is the top or the bottom. The label was on the side, so we'll see. I guess look what I have here. My gift to myself was buying a silhouette portrait too. I slowed down on buying some of the sticker books because I wanted to buy my own sticker maker and make my own stickers. I'm still gonna buy books, but you know, this season right now a lot of the new sticker books came out and I've been watching your videos and I'm just, you know, I want all the sticker books basically. So, but I said, you know, put that on hold, bigger things. So I got a silhouette portrait too, and I'm so excited to share this with you. Let's see. Let's get this out of the box. Not only did I order the silhouette portrait too, but I also ordered the Studio Design Edition Plus on Amazon. I got this from Amazon, and I also got this off the upgrade software on Amazon. So like I said, I'm super excited about it. I watched so many YouTube videos on the silhouette portrait too, Shay Budgets, just to name a few. There's so many more, and I'll put those names or the videos I watched down in the description box. People who reviewed it, positive or negative, used it, tutorials on how to use it. I've watched a lot, so I decided I wanted to get my own. I'm so excited. So well, let me open it up with you, and I'm sure you've probably seen other videos where people do this, but I'm so excited I'm gonna share it anyway. Super cute. Now, let me adjust my camera so I hope you can see it. Also, just to make my own stickers, but after watching other YouTubers, and like I said, I'm a newbie planner, but as soon as I started getting the sticker books, I realized my style of putting in stickers is a little funky. So I thought I'm gonna make my own, and I would like to open my own Etsy shop with not just stickers but also crafts. I love to do arts and crafts, to make things with my hands. I love to crochet, I love to draw, I love to use my hot glue gun, anything like that. So I'm gonna try to open my own Etsy shop that has crafts and stickers. And if you would like, let me know down in the comment section if you would like to see the journey I'm taking as I start in Etsy sticker shop or craft shop. So, but anyway, this is the it's like the cutter and the cable. Put that in there. Everything seems really secure. The outside box, there is no damage to it. This is the plug. Let's see if you can see this. I'm being real gentle with it because I'm so excited about it. Comes with a warning. Just a net. And I plan on purchasing some accessories, but I thought it was just best to get the machine, figure out how to use it, and then decide if I want accessories or what, besides the extra upgrade software, what are the things I would use. Okay, just put this box to the side, and you know I'm gonna definitely keep that box just in case I boot this thing up and some don't work right. It can go back. There we go. I'll get another view in a second. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, so let's put this to the side. There we go. Let's take this off the mount and show you here. So even though I've watched tutorials and everything, just to make sure I'm doing it right, as I set it up, I'm gonna watch a few other ones just to make sure I do everything right. I have to get my laptop up because I know I need to hook that up to it to download the software and everything off the website. So super excited. This is everything I got in the package, and I'm gonna kind of move things around here and see if I can set things up so you can see. Okay, so I've got my laptop up here. I've got my Silhouette Portrait 2 right there. And I've got this Silhouette Portrait 2 setup guide. Now I've watched the video over and over, but I just want to double check, and excuse me for my iPad cover. I will use it until I wear something out. So, and let's see, once this comes up, and I'm going to hit the video.
Welcome to the setup guide for your Silhouette Portrait electronic cutting machine. These step-by-step.
Okay, now I've got the website up. It said to type in silhouetteamerica.com/setup, and I did that, and it brings me to this page. And now I'm going to register my machine. Okay, here we go. First thing it asks, we should take your language English. Continue. Please select the machine you are setting up. Silhouette Portrait 2. Step 1, create an account. So it asks for name, email, password, address, date, a serial number of the device, which is on the bottom or back, purchase date, design store preferences, and then it says submit registration. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be back. I am downloading the software. It's still taking a few minutes to do it. It actually says, what, 24 minutes. It keeps going back and forth. This is an older laptop, so we'll see. We use Windows and not Mac, so here it asks you which you're going to use, current version or beta version. I chose current version, and link for Windows. So it's going to take a while. So it finally downloaded the software, and now it's being installed on my computer. It took a while. It took like 45 minutes just because my computer is so old. So you hear my son in the background. So waiting for this to install, and we'll see what happens. Everything downloaded, and this is what it looks like. We have Silhouette Studio. So even if you have an older laptop, you can work it out. I know I'm gonna have to go in and change the mat size and do a few things. So, but I'm excited. Making my first cut on my Silhouette Portrait 2. My printer didn't do such a good job of printing out the image, but the portrait too can read the lines. I had a time loading the paper in for it to register the registration marks on the paper, but I just kept trying and kept taking it out and realigning it, taking it out and reloading it, and finally I was able to pick it up. This little thing is the laser that reads the little black box at the top of your mat or on the top of your paper. And so I had to make sure that when the mat went in, it went up under the laser. I did a test first. That was different. The first time I tried it, I just went ahead and did it, but I did the test. And after that, I was able to load it in. It's sort of my printer didn't print out the colors very well. I'm interested to see how this thing is going to come out. Try just to test. Okay. Okay, let's see. Unload. Okay, and let's pull it off. Okay. So this is, like I said, this is my first time doing this. I just wanted to see if I could actually put something on there. And I was able to change the color, change the size, change the font. I was just, okay, so. It looks like. Did it cut my mat, or is this? Okay. Like I said, this is my first time. Oh man, trying this. See if I can get the sticker off without, oh, no. Okay, well, that's the outline. Oh no, okay, I want the whole sticky back thing to come off too, because it's supposed to be a sticker I can stick on something else. Okay, there we go. Okay, so that's first sticker peeled off of. Okay, let's see if I can get that, make sure I get the back too. Now I don't know how I cut out these words, so we'll trial and error. At least I'm learning. A lot of times if you make mistakes, then you learn how to do it the right way. I'd rather do it the right way the first time, but okay, so it actually cut out the little letters. So if I wanted, so let me see if I can put this. I am going to put the A here. Okay, so obviously I need to figure the whole lettering thing out. I didn't know, I thought it was going to cut out one whole word. I didn't know it was going to cut out the letters, so like I said, I will be watching more tutorials for sure. Uh-oh. Why is the Y not sticky? I gotta peel it. Okay. So the sticky part of the Y is still there. I've got to peel it. So some of the sticky part is still on the mat. So I'll have to make sure I get that off. See, look at this. Okay, this is something I'm gonna have to figure out. Let's see, it's clear. Okay, well, let's check this one out. And hey, you could use this too if you wanted to. I might just, let's see. Oh, I got packaged now. This was the spread I did for March. I'll go ahead and just, in honor of me getting this, I'm just going to slap this here. And so I'm not sure what I did wrong. Some of you who have this may tell me this is the lines that were on it. So maybe because it's double red, then it double cut it out. So I have to remember, I have to figure out how not to make it double red, or I hit the button twice. Okay, well, first time cutting using my Silhouette Pro. As you see, I got a lot to figure out. This was a roll of matte sticker paper that I cut down to size using this handy tool. As you see, my son colored on it. So, but super happy, super proud, and I'll let you know how it goes. Thank you for joining Rena Rocs. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos of me trying to print and cut and get things right. But as you see, if yours does this too, it means you put a double line. So I must have put a double line for it to cut twice. Learn something. Well, have a great day and take care.